Hello, I'm David, and this is not a tutorial made by Addsource. We're here to show you an amazing new feature we have, and this is essentially going to allow us to send an SMS on autopilot to each caller that calls you the first time, and that call is considered as valid. So let's jump right into that. We are in our Addsource account. We have this new column here. It says SMS, and under the SMS, you have the SMS stream, which has always been there, and you can actually browse for the SMSs that you send and receives, and you have the manage template. So we want to hit that now and log in to that interface. Now, here we have the add template, and essentially what it's going to mean is that we're going to have multiple templates, and we can send different SMS content from a different number. So it can consider different messages and kind of play with the message we want to send out from each source or for each number. So I'm going to click on add template, and we're going to just give it a friendly name. It's not really something that the customer will see. It's just for us to recognize that template and the content of it when we assign it to a new number. So I will just put some content here, and now it's ready to be sent. The thing here is that you want to make sure you not go over 160 characters, because then it's going to split that text to two parts, and you don't want to send kind of two messages. It's going to be too much. So I'm going to click Save Now, and you're going to see that review our services is currently displayed right here. So we have that in our kind of template bank. Now I'm just going to add a quick one more so we can recognize how we can change between different templates under the number. So let's do just a general Happy New Year, and then this is going to be my body. I'm all good to go. I will click Save here, and you can see that it appears right here under the SMS template table. Now, you want to assign that SMS, and you want it to be sent each time someone calls you and it's a valid call. All you need to do is just go to the Phones tab, click on Numbers, go here and click Edit under the Operations. Scroll to the bottom, and you're going to recognize you have new part here. It says SMS settings. Now, you want to make sure you click that box of send SMS after valid call, and you now can choose from those two templates that I just added, Happy New Year and Review Our Services. It will allows you, so as you know, this is just the title. The body is what's going to be sent out. So now I know I did it, and we can click Save, and it's saved with us. Now you can go to a different number and assign a different template to him. So I will go to that number, I will check that send SMS box, and I will choose Review Our Services and click Save. So now anyone that would call that number will actually receive the Review Our Services SMS, and everyone that called that number will receive a different SMS with Happy New Year. Now, a person will receive an SMS with the caller ID of that exact number that he called in, so they're not strange with where they got the SMS from. Well, this is all for now. The one last and important thing that you can review your SMS under the stream. So you can go here and you can see like the status sent or received, and it will display the content that you send out. So just like under your current stream, as you see the incoming SMSs from customers that are trying to send SMS to your phone lines, you're going to see an outgoing SMS that was sent by you. Alrighty, have a good one, and see you next time.